Hey guys, Nicholas Trades here with what's on your watch list, and I have 5 more names that I would like to go through. So we're going to start with APP, AppLovin Corporation, here on a monthly chart. As usual, monthly, yearly, and decade VWAPs. You can really see a beautiful V-shaped recovery, testing these old levels at 43. App is currently at 46. It's going to be testing 47 and possibly breaking out. So with earnings coming up here on the 14th. So let's zoom in a little bit and continue. So when we zoom in on the weekly, we see this beautiful box forming at the decade VWAP. Really respected that level. You can see it came all the way down from these lows all the way up. So let's do a fib retracement on that. So I would say if this breaks out and holds, we could see 67.29, 161 would be a nice measured move for AAP. If not, if 38.67 breaks, I think it could be all new lows. So we will see, but definitely like the chart. This looks bullish to me. We are above the monthly, yearly, and decade VWAPs. Let's go ahead and anchor one to the lows. It'll look the same there. And then let's go here. Yep, look at that. It's crazy how these things work. Let's go all-time highs. Yeah, it's interesting how that happened. You see there. So you anchor something to the anchored VWAP to the all-time high. You can see it breaks that, and since then it's going to be carrying most likely above. So definitely like how this looks. We will probably see a big level here. And about there would probably be the range that I'd be looking at if I was in it. Alright, next one. SXC, so SunCoke Energy. Let's start on the monthly. Zoom out as always. This stock, kind of ugly price action over a decade. I would not absolutely love it, but you can see nice uptrend, retracement down. We are respecting the decade VWAPs here at 678 currently, and we are at 11, so definitely the high range of that. I think the price to look out for is up to 14, and if we break that, then definitely possible all new highs. But this is a nice uptrend, but this is what concerns me the most. Is do we run out of gas when we hit 15 or 14? I mean, that would probably come. This move will come unless it's a extended downtrend, but we will see. Definitely not the greatest on my radar. All right, Celsius energy drinks. Let's zoom out. Monthly just looks monstrous. I really like Celsius. I enjoy the stock. Looking at the decade VWAP, it's respecting it extremely well. You can see yearly it trends very well as well. All-time highs were at 68, and we have fully gave that back, and now we're trading in this range. So let's zoom in, paint a better picture. You can see it's holding this great level of 48. So I think if it holds, I would probably say if it holds 50 even, if it holds this bullish, we can even kind of go like this and say this is a base forming and this was a base forming. So kind of stage 1 accumulation to stage 2, and then sideways quickly down and back to stage 1 accumulation. So I would assume this resolves higher. We can even go to the daily to see how things are panning out there and get rid of these, get rid of some of the mess. Hang on. Alrighty. Yeah, this looks really strong above the 50 range. You can see this tanked here, kind of went and retested that, and it's already pulling back up. So if we are above this year-to-date VWAP here in the monthly, I would feel pretty strong about it. So we will see. Jumping to Snap. Let's start on the monthly and work our way in. So, pretty wild chart. Then comes a snap. Gotta scroll all the way out. Highs of 83, massive drawdown all the way down to $8. Absolutely outrageous. See this extremely range bound trade. Broke out. Now we are back to 17. Let's start zooming in and see what possible levels are here. So definitely a box forming now that we broke up out of this massive base. Let's just do this. Massive base. And then we can continue to go. So I would probably fib it out. 161 is 2410. So that would make sense, and the decade VWAP is about 25. So probably if we hold this and the box stays where it is, we might break up higher to the 25 range, possibly with a good earnings or something. Let's go to when that is. All right, looks like we have earnings coming up here soon. Oh, well, it just came out. So revenue surpassed, earnings surpassed. Oh, surprise. More snap. Okay. Well, yeah, we'll see how it initially reacts to that. And go from there. Last but not least, Rocket. Start on the monthly. I really like this company. And they have earnings coming this month as well. So you can see, like, it's just VWAP, decade VWAP is 18. Definitely a massive point of interest. You can see it's kind of where it IPO'd at and then exploded. Kind of came all the way back down. But this is a really good base right here. You can see beautiful base formed. Broke out of the base right here. And now it's retesting that zone. So if we were to do this and just say, area of interest probably here. So you can see this band. Definitely some demand there. We will see if it holds. If it does, I think we're going to probably see those 1896s here coming soon. Hopefully earnings is good and we see that. Going into weekly, even more confirmation of this zone holding. So it looks like 11. We'll just put straight line, boom. 11 is the line in the sand here. And then daily, just for fun. I don't like that as much. So you can see we ran out, broke out. Anchoring to this year, we've been under the yearly VWAP for the whole year. So that's not great from a momentum standpoint, but we will see if buyers gain control after earnings within the end of the month. Hopefully they do, and then we resolve higher. But that'll wrap it for today. As always, quick disclaimer. I'll bring this up. It is not financial advice. This is just based off of my opinion for informational purposes. And please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it.